Hi Aries, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love check-in for the second half of July. So Aries, you do know these are general collective readings, right? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. Okay, Aries, we're good to go now? Let's begin. Thank you all my subscribers for all your love. You've kept this channel going. And if you're new here, please do join us. We are a small Omkara family. We meet here once a week to do readings for all zodiac signs. So we welcome you into our fold. Do subscribe and join us. So if you're new here, let me explain this to you. I have you on one side and your love interest on the other. And in the center, there are your mutual energies. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Aries, still stuck with your love interest? So as I was saying, feel free to flip the energy wherever you feel that you resonate best with, okay? Let's go. Temperance, okay, some balance. Knight of Swords, Eight of Wands, Nine of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the Page of Swords. This definitely looks like the masculine energy to me, but let's see. Hanged Man in reverse, the Tower, the Fool in reverse, Eight of Cups, Four of Swords, and the Emperor. Here you are, Aries, the Emperor. Always the Emperor, aren't you? That is your card. So you're kind of holding back from this person, it seems. The person A is looking for some kind of balance to be brought back into this relationship. I think something's gone wrong here. That's why the Wheel of Fortune was stuck, right? This was our overall energy, something not moving because of some major heartbreak which has happened between the two of you. Okay, so but person A wants to come in quick now. They want to come back, and they're desperate to charge towards you. They know that things are out of balance, and they want to put things right. Okay, they are looking for this balanced kind of relationship, and they want to come to you quick and fast, and they want to talk to you about it. Second half of July. Now, whether they're able to do it or not is a different story altogether, but this is what they are feeling. So, Knight of Swords, Spirit. Just as I suspected, Aries, they want it, okay? They want it. They are wanting to charge ahead. They want to bring balance back into your life, but this is where they are right now. Okay, they're totally stuck in their head. They are so afraid. Look at all these swords. Could be dealing with an air sign. They are being unable to sleep. They can't. They're having nightmares. They are just going back and forth in their mind. They don't know how to come forward to you, even though they are dying to charge ahead. Right? They're dying to come towards you. And why? Because they are so fearful that you're going to reject them. They're so scared that you're going to kick them out. Literally. I've never seen so many swords coming together. Okay, so they are really scared. And because maybe there has been no communication from your end. And they don't know, oh my God, I have the Nine of Swords again for them. Okay, so this came out here and here. So Nine of Swords, Nine of Swords, Nine of Swords, and oh my God. So they are totally stressed out about the fact that there has been no communication from your end, and they don't know how to communicate with you anymore of whatever has happened. Let's take a card. Spirit, Eight of Wands. Yeah, they see that there is been no growth or no movement from your end, even though they are desperate to go back to their past person, which is you, I think, Aries. But they don't see you uh, being loving and kind and gentle, or coming back to them, or having any conversation with them, and that is really stressing them out big time. Yeah, they know, none. They know that they didn't put any work in the past, maybe, and that they have brought some kind of imbalance to this relationship, which has led both of you to feel in a very, very stuck and ten of wands kind of energy. And now they are fretting and fuming as to, oh my God, the Empress is now in reverse, which is my Aries, right? So that I guessed correctly. This is the masculine here. So they are very worried that you're no longer going to want to grow with them. There'll be no love shared, and it's now become terrible. Even though heart of hearts, they really want to come towards you with this big cup of love, but still, they are still in the night energy. I'd like to see them as the king of something. This is the Knight of Cups. So even though they want to come to you with sweet nothings once again, they are so scared, Aries, that they're just maybe if you peep out your window, you'll see them standing under a tree watching you, or they could be spying on your social media, Facebook, or whatever, finding out from friends. So even though they want to come towards you, they are totally unable to right now, Aries. They're just keeping a watch on you. Seeing where you are, how you are, and how, if find some loophole where they can maybe put their two-bit in and find some communication to come back to you. They're trying to find some reason or some way that they can start this communication again with you, because heart of hearts, Aries, this is what they want. They want their lover back, big time. They have a deep attachment to you and they can't stop thinking about you. I've never seen somebody, the Knight of Cups again, right? So Knight of Cups just keeps wanting to show up time and time again. They really, really are desperate to get that horse out and start trotting towards you. But they're looking for some way of communication. They are not being able to find anything at the moment, I think. Let's see you. So Aries, you got out of this very stuck place. You got enlightened about some truth which came out, and maybe there was a tower moment with this person. You walked away. You decided, I no longer want to have anything to do with this person. You felt like a fool, or maybe they made you feel like a fool with whatever happened in this dynamic here. Let's take a card. You are holding back. You are totally closed off. You are not. No wonder this poor person is so frustrated and so scared. Aries, come on. But they must have done something really big to put an Aries into this place. This tower moment must have been really horrid. Which, all these three swords, they must have hurt like hell. This actually made you just walk away. You just walked away from this person, this situation, and I think you've gone into your resting hermit mode. You dropped this relationship altogether. You walked away, you held back, and now you've been healing since then. Since this thing happened, you have just been in your healing mode. You're no longer having any conversation with this person. You're not interested in having any conversation. You are just trying to mend this broken heart and taking a rest, I think. And now, Aries, I think you have, after all this resting, I think you've regained your power. Okay, here is the Emperor, which is the Aries card. The Emperor represents Aries. So I think after all this healing and walking away and being in your hermit space, being enlightened, you have, I think, regained your power and you are very much in control of your life. Yes, you're out. You're out once again, celebrating life. Maybe meeting friends, maybe meeting new suitors. One more card, Spirit, for the Emperor. You have let go of this trickster. Absolutely. You're no longer dealing with this person. And you are going out to find your own happiness with new people now. This person, whatever they did to you, made you feel very, very abandoned, right? Made you feel really helpless, abandoned, hurt, left out in the cold, and you have let go of this, maybe there was, conflict with this person, and maybe there were other people in the mix. There was gossip. People could have been in your business or their business saying things about you. You've let all that go, and now this is where you are now. The Emperor and the Three of Cups. You have taken back charge of your life. You're in a good wicket. Let's see your mutual energies now. Six of Cups. Aries, someone's coming back from your past. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. But this is in your mutual position, okay? Past life soulmates. Could be from many lives, or maybe you've known this person in this lifetime for quite a long while. You've had sweet memories with this person. But this is in your mutual place. So let's see what does this signify. Spirit, Six of Cups, please, for Aries and their person. Six of Cups. Please clarify the Six of Cups. Aries, the return. What should I name this video? I should call it the Grand Return. Oh God, somebody's coming back for sure. Somebody is wanting to return to your life, and this is in both your. Yeah, again, return. Here's another return card going back, and wanting to have clear communication now. No more mischief, no more spying. Just wanting, I think, now to come back. Let's see your second card. Page of Wands. Here comes the message. A passionate message for a brand new beginning. Let's see. Spirit, can we have a clarifier for the Page of Wands, please? One more. Clarifier for the Page of Wands. Whatever didn't work in the past, Aries, whatever didn't work in the past, I think you both are going to now talk about it and finish this old chapter that has been going on in your life, right? Maybe people have done this over and over again between the two of you. You guys come back and the same thing happens. So you both are going to talk about what didn't work, okay? What didn't work in the past, and maybe discuss as to how the Wheel of Fortune can now once again start moving in both your favor and start a brand new chapter, brand new cycle. Okay, I'm laughing, Aries, because from what I was seeing here, one person was done and the other person was worried. And okay, let's see the third card. Nine of Cups in reverse. Spirit, why is the Nine of Cups in reverse now for the mutual energy? No wish fulfillment? Aries, are you not accepting them back? Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse here, Spirit? Okay, well, that makes sense, right? One more. Right, okay, one more. Aries, the conversation is, whatever is going to happen now, Aries, is going to happen very slow and steady. Right? Don't worry. It's going to be very, very slow, and maybe one or both of you are not going to be very happy about it. I think, Aries, from what I see here, you're going to put your foot down. You're going to put your foot down to say, hey, listen, till I don't heal, till the past regret and whatever has not been talked about or what happened in the past, till this heart of mine which you hurt so badly in the past is not healed, I am not willing to have any sudden fresh beginning with this big wand, if you know what I mean, right? I'm not going to suddenly go and say, yeah, let's get back together and let's have fun. No, Aries, you're putting a total stop to this, right? You are saying you hurt me very, very badly in the past, and from my side this had come to a total stagnant stop, right? So if you want to now move to a better space again with me, there are choices that have to be made, okay? It's not going to be done the same way as it was done in the past. So I think some Negotiations in love are going to happen, but I definitely see both of you wanting to come back, or somebody is going to come back, and it's going to be like, yeah, it's going to be like a talk about how we're going to take this forward again. So let's see, Heart of Hearts, Aries, how does this person feel about you? Aries person spirit, how does this person feel about Aries now? They want balance, they want you back. Oof, this person is, yes, they want a reunion big time. They've missed you so much. One more, spirit. Yes, they want to work with you again. They want to come back and have balance, equal give and take with you. They are looking forward to this reunion with you, and they want to work with you. Three of Pentacles, right? So they are very clear. Aries, you are going to put them to a test, I think, because first two cards were great. The third card, you kind of put a little damper to say, hey, listen, my heart is still healing, and till I'm not better, and you'll have to kind of wait for me, which is fair. Take your time, let this person work towards putting in some work to show you how much they care. I think it's perfectly fair. Let's see how you feel about this person now. Okay. One more card, spirit. I know where this is going. One more card. Aries, you think this person doesn't love you really, in real, okay? You think this person really doesn't love you. All they want is this, the passion. You think they've come back again because they're missing the love and the passion, not love, passion with you, and you're trying very hard now to go and listen to your intuition and decide what to do, right? You don't want to make another mistake here, because maybe earlier they used to come in with all their passion, and once that was done, they used to run away. And now that they're back again, just when you kind of taken charge of your life, now you're very scared to understand whether they even love you. But you do know they want you. They do know that. Heart of Hearts, the point is, Aries, you love them too, okay? You love them too. You both love each other, and you both make each other really, really happy, right? So, but you're going to take your time because you're not sure, which is fair. Let them, like the whole reading was, let them show you that they love you as well. They've showed you many times they want you. Let's have some work put in for the loving part. So, any advice for Aries now, Spirit? Okay. Oops, too many cards, Spirit. Okay, we'll take them. Aries, Spirit says, don't hold back too much, okay? Okay, don't hold back too much. When this person, okay, I have the transformation card once again here, but so it says don't hold back too much, don't be too tight. When this person comes to you with an apology, right, don't totally shut them out. Don't shut them out with these two of swords to say, hey, my eyes are closed and I have these swords in front of my heart. Please know that this person has now transformed to be the King of Pentacles now. They've put an end to all this, whatever happened in the past, okay? They regret it and they know they've betrayed you. They want to come to you now in a good way. Okay, so just be a little open-minded. Don't be totally shut off. Let this person in. So let's see, Aries, what is the blessing we can get for you from my angels? Blessing for my angels, yes. One more card, Spirit. Okay, and one more. Every time, Aries, I'm getting this for you. Oh, forgive. It's time to forgive, Aries. If this person has come back, then maybe they have changed, okay? Maybe this was like a twin flame connection or something where you both had to learn a lesson, and now it's time for a reunion. It's time to get back. Maybe you grew a lot in the past, while they were away, and this person has also learned their lesson, and Spirit is saying that heaven is watching over both of you, so don't be afraid anymore. Okay, and start this relationship if you feel right, Listen to your intuition. That's the main thing. But don't be too closed off. That's all I can suggest. After all, you all have your free will. Use it to your best. And please feel happy. Maybe you're going to start getting wood soon. So God bless, love and light, and I'll see you soon.